Hello and welcome. In this video we are going to see how I have designed the collection page. So in the previous video I show you how you can create sections and template for collection page, but I didn't do the design because it was taking a lot of time. So if I go to the collection page like catalog or any other collection, it will look like this. Very simple and clean design. Of course you can customize it, and we will bring some advanced feature in the future videos, like adding JavaScript and filters should work via JavaScript rather than like refreshing the page. For now it is just fine. Also I did the footer and added a little link and setting to this one. Let's see how I have added these settings. So if I come to my theme setting here, from here I will navigate to catalog, which is a collection page. Also you can switch to collection page from here. It's showing all the product, and from here we have a collection tab here. It is like a tab. If you open it, it is going to expand to the collection page setting. These are the basic setting I have here. For example, the full width, if I use this one, it will make my page to remove the container and use container full width, something like that. So if I uncheck this one, it will not be a full width. So if I'm in full screen, it will have a fixed width for this one. So that is one option. The other one is the header alignment, where it should display. If I take it to the left, it should display to the left or right or any other direction. So I will display the center, also the height of it. These are the basic settings. Like you can add more settings, and you can add image, default image to your collection page. For now it is just fine. I'm just showing you how these settings are going to work in the backend just in a minute. So also I have a sidebar and navigation here. Like this is a navigation you can select. I can remove it. It will remove my navigation. So it should remove everything from here, but it is not removing. It's showing just this one. So if I select a navigation called collection sidebar, which I have created, and you can edit this. Also you can click on the edit and it will show you what this collection include. This is a custom sidebar for this one, and it links to collection page. You can link it to any other pages, but this is basically how you can add setting for the user, either the user want or not. These are the tags. You can hide them and it will hide the tags. So this option also exists, and you can add more option here, which we will do in the future. Now let's see how the code is going to work behind the scene. These are very simple stuff. As I show you, like this, I'm on the collection and the in the template directory. We have a collection.example, which is a template, and this one is referring to a section. The reason we refer this to the section is because section accepts setting, is schema setting. I mean, these are the schema settings, and this is for collection, and this is header. The checkbox for full width is full width. This is going to be a checkbox, and the label is full width, and then the default value is false. By default we don't want to be the full width, but here is how I can use it. If I select this one at the top of this page, the current page, I said if section setting dot full width is true, means if this is it means full width. So if that is check, display the just add the clause, or this is a conditional clause, like you can add container full width and it will give it a full width. Otherwise put a container else here and end else and if here, and that's it. And the same thing for the header. We have the height of it. If you check out, I have added a style here. Main height is going to be section setting header height. If I select the header height, this is going to be a range, and range is a slider where you can move it, and it has a step of 5 pixel. If you notice, I did it here. This is the range, and there are some other type of setting also, like color picker, fonts. We will discuss them in the future. If you don't wanna wait for that, you can just refer to the Shopify documentation for that one. So this is the basic setting here. Also for the footer, if you check out the footer, there is not much. Just select navigation for this one, basic stuff here, and this is the default copyright. You can have a field here, so user can write their custom copyright stuff here. So this is the basic stuff I have done here. It is not anything change here. So these are the setting, and this is how you can add them and how you can customize it. The more options you have, the more like client want to use your theme, because they have a lot of options here, and those options give the client a lot of flexibility. So make sure you give those options, and those options should be easy to use and easy to understand, right? Like writing a proper description for them. So this is for the for it and this video. And in the next video I am going to show you the product page Also, before I show you the product page, there is something more important than that. That is some tips and tricks about Shopify development. I have not talked about this one, but that is very important to see how you can access data and everywhere. And Shopify, you like, if you're a developer, you want to see the JSON object, or you want to see how the product page is going to work, and some other stuff which are tricky. If you know it, it will be a lot easy for you. So I will see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.